Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to create a simple and beginner-friendly website using latest Bootstrap version 5.3. As you can see, it's my finished project. It is simple as well. It has some cards and projects filter section. It's completely Bootstrap, no JavaScript is required, and facts section with some question and answers. And it is completely responsive and greater than mobile friendly. Check out the full tutorial link in description. And please subscribe. And comment for what kind of coding tutorials you want us to do. Happy coding!